Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video, and this is a super exciting video for me. This is of course another plant video, and in this video I will be opening my dream wish list plant for my birthday. So my birthday is July 17th. I decided to buy myself only one plant. One plant I will be gifting myself, and this is a plant that I chose to gift myself for my birthday, and I'm super excited. That doesn't count, however, though, plants that I've been gifted by other people. That doesn't count because that's different. So we're going to open it together. And as you can see, the scenery is a little bit different here because I'm in my beauty space. You guys, just walked in the door from work. So it's a little bit dark outside. I can't film outside like I like to do in the summertime for my plant videos. So we'll just film inside for now. And I wasn't going to put on all the other lights because I just got home from work and I'm tired. But here it is. Here's the box. It says fragile, pretty hefty, big box. I ordered it from the company Jacqueline Home and Garden. Jacqueline? If you want to see her name. So it's from Jacqueline Home and Garden. And I ordered this. You guys don't understand how I've wanted this plant for so long. And my plant bestie, Keisha, has this plant. And every time I see it, I just drool over her plant. And she recently sent me my plant gift for my birthday. So another dream plant that I wanted. So I will leave that video right here if you want to see what she sent me for my birthday. That was a really fun surprise unboxing as well. But let's see what it is together. Ready? Well, I know what it is already, right? But why am I acting like I don't know? I already know because I ordered it. But you guys can look. Ready? Ready? You ready? Alright, we got packing peanuts. Let's take care of that. Let's see. Okay. Suspense. Oh, thank you. You're welcome, Jacqueline. Thank you. Okay. It has... Okay. That was fairly easy. I didn't get any packing peanuts on the floor. Alright. This thing is taped up like it is well taped. Let's use the box cutter and open it. Just go right at it. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. Oh, happy birthday to me. I wanted to buy myself other plants for my birthday, but at the same time, I'm really trying to be more mindful of how many plants I bring into my home because I want to make sure I can definitely take care of them. Like I always tell you guys, I am not a plant expert. I'm still learning. So I really want to master the ones that I have, and I have quite a few. So if you guys want to see my plant tour, my home tour of the plants that I currently have right now, which has changed since then, I'll leave it above for you guys to see if you want to see my most recent plant tour. I will be doing another one again, I guess like in the fall. Yeah. Oh wow, this is really packaged. Can anyone guess what it is? Well, I know if Keisha's watching this, she's gonna know what it is because she knows. Okay. Are you guys ready now? You ready? It is so full. It is the string of hearts, 6-inch, and this was, I believe, $34. It was $34 with delivery and everything. It came up to, let's just say $46 for everything, but the plant itself was $34. Do you guys not see? Do you not love it? I love it. Okay, I love it. I want to see how long the trails are. I'm like a kid. I'm so giddy. But I want to be very gentle with it and just take it Oh, she also sent care instructions, which was a pretty cool idea. It was attached to the plant. So good, Jacqueline, my girl. You know what you gotta do. Care instructions. That was a good look. Thank you, Jacqueline, because people like me definitely need it. Okay, I'm gonna try to unravel it and then come back to you guys and show you guys the true length of it. Yeah? Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. It took me a while and I still didn't completely untangle all of it yet, but I feel like I got things to do right now. I just got home from work. I got things to do. So we're gonna untangle this later on tonight or something else, but I want to show you guys how it looks. Look at it. Don't you love it? Ready? Look, 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 look. It keeps going. If you love it, raise your hand. If you love it, in the comment section, raise your hand. Like this. Like, you know the emoji, raise your hand? If you love it, raise your hand. I absolutely adore it. What shall we name it? Is it a him or a her? I don't know yet. I'm thinking it's a her. I don't know. What shall we name it? Oh, I am happy. I am super duper happy. Look at the pad. Look at the detail. Do you see that? Do you not see the detail on the... I just love it. Maybe because I just love hearts in general. I have a thing for hearts. I don't know what it is. I just love things that look like hearts. I love heart design things. So this is my second string of hearts. I have the variegated one, really small, tiny plant that has about 2 or 3 branches sticking out. But this one is my big baby. I just love it. I do. But anyway, this is the plant. This is from Jacqueline home. It looks like really healthy, really good, really long trails. I am very happy with my purchase. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching, for supporting my channel. And if you, like I said, if you love the plant, raise your hand in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. And now I shall find a place and a name for this new baby. All right, bye you guys.